Hello friends, this is Sai Fanidra from SQL School and this is regarding a short demonstration on Fabric, Microsoft Fabric Data Engineering course. I assure you practical classes from scratch right from the basics. This Fabric Data Engineering involves number 1 AI, number 2 Big Data, number 3 Cloud, number 4 Spark, PySpark and Fabric Data Factory, Fabric warehousing and lot of big data technologies into your job basket. Trust me, this course will be very useful, step by step and practical. I need to ensure your job desk activities. Accordingly, I designed this course with all my 19 years of experience in the database and big data technologies. Please ensure you have on-time practice to enjoy the classes. In our Fabric engineering, we are going to involve in number 1, SQL activities. You may skip this module in case you're already well versed with MS SQL. You can skip it. And you may directly go for Fabric. Choice is yours. And the second actual module is Fabric. Module 1 MS SQL, Module 2 Fabric. In Fabric, we'll be understanding 7 weeks of pipelines, notebooks, Spark, PySpark, big data activities with AI integration concepts. And after 7 weeks of core Fabric engineering activities, we'll be going for additional 4 weeks on Power BI for big data analytics. Again, this third module is optional. I repeat, module 1, module 3 optional as per your learning curve or the resume requirements. Module 2, Fabric, is very much mandatory for us as a Fabric data engineer. We'll ensure the things are very straightforward from scratch, right from the basics. And I need to care about your resume. I need to care about your project requirements, project FAQs, project solutions. If your interviewer asks you what you did in your project, what are the challenges you face in your project, or what kind of customer requirements you get, what kind of optimizations you are into. These kind of realistic activities I will be taking care in our classes. The 3 plans you see on my screen. The plan A Fabric, plan B SQL plus Fabric, or plan C, option C for our course registration, SQL plus Fabric plus Power BI. Choice is yours and I will be your trainer. I will be your mentor to guide you step by step practically. In case you are opting directly for Fabric, the content or the checklist of SQL activities you see on my screen, the 30-point checklist. Kindly revise this 30-point checklist of SQL on my screen to happily step into Fabric. However, if required, you can start with my SQL classes, then slowly step into Fabric for our wonderful resume. See you there in our live demo session. Meet you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you.